a great choice today with the 2019 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated front seats, trip computer, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.